Hello, good morning. Tingnan nyo naman, ang daming bunga ng grapes. Uy, sarap. Ang daming bunga ng grapes. Grapes. Kahit sa baba. Daming bunga ng grapes namin. Mula sa baba, ayan oh, ang dami. Paakyat. Good morning. Probinsya na naman. Sarap buhay sa probinsya. Nag-ano kami ng mga gamit. Yung mga hindi nagagamitin, tapon, susunugin. Yung mga magagamit pa, tabi-tabi. Ang daming. Ang dami. Ayan o, sa baba. Sarap. Matamis siya. Kahit maliliit siya. Pero matamis. Ayan o. Gulo-gulo dito kasi inakot namin lahat ng mga gamit sa labas, mga damit. Ayan o. Buhay probinsya talaga. Dami, ayun o. Kala mo nasa probinsya ka, makapagpa-relax ka ha? Hindi. Ayan, dami. Ganda ng frame na to, yan o. Si Domni. Daming mga bubot. Sangkatutak. Probinsya, yun. Ayan, balon, ang lalim. Pag kumuha ka ng tubig dito, ang lamig, sobra. Selvio car. The father na Tata Nicolay. Traktor. Yun si Kalbo. Silvio is there. Stefan. Machis! The dog. Machis! Chifats! Machis! Another dog. The big. Yeah, wait. Commence. Dog. This one has one, the boy and one girl. Another one there in the back. Kulo. Hello. Are you thirsty there? You see the walnuts tree is very big and a lot of fruits, walnuts, the nuka. This one the nuka. Another dog there. Hello, Sarako. Chifa, chifa, smak. Mak, mak, mak. Chifa, sakolo. Ang lalaki ng mga aso. Very hot. It's early, but it's too hot already. We will see. Silvio is there. He pick up all the things and put in the one room. What? No, I never take you. I want to see my ducks there. The ducks has eggs. Why the duck no put outside? Yung mga ducks namin dito. Hello. Hindi sila they're not making egg now. And also there the rabbit inside the Purumbay dub. Where is the rabbit? Hello. Ayun. The dub is here inside. A lot. Hey, 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 hey. You see the rabbit? Before a lot of rabbit, but the rat eat the rabbit. You see they're making eggs there. You see the eggs of the duck. And they have small baby now. You see the baby. Small baby of duck. You see, wow, very cute. And some make egg there on the other side. Don't be afraid. This is the life in the province. Very hot. I help the mother to take all the things. And we put here inside the one room. The father get already the duck sometimes a lot of eggs, sometimes only 3, 4. My chest. Buhay sa province. Mothers tayong pick. You plimbari each. Chief Retent. Ganyan si Silvio pag may hawak-hawak ko yung telepon. Tapos may tumatawag sa akin. May lalaki daw ako, Mama Mia. How to find another lalaki. Wala nang time. Trabaho. Business. Yeah, ayan yung dito. Buhay probinsya. It's the train going to Bucharest. Dito dumadaan yung train papuntang Bucharest. Doon yung stop. Yeah, the train is coming now. It's there. The corn. This is the father house, and in the other the mother house is different in the village. Siwa. Dito yung tatay nila nakatira, yung nanay doon sa village, doon yung mga halaman namin, mga pananim, mga gulay-gulay. I planted also the sitaw, the ampalaya here, but no, it's not good. The train is coming. A lot of clothes. Sabi ko nga mag second tayo ng second. For winter, a lot. I saw train is coming, but no. And then later we make a gratar, a barbecue. We have meat, we have sausage, carnuts, and make arde coop for our lunch. I thought has train coming. No, are. And there has solar. The neighbor there on the other side. Bye bye na.